with Wolverhampton Music Service, and in this recorder video we're going to be learning Chatter with the Angels from Recorder from the Beginning, Book 1. To play this piece we need notes B, A, G, E and our new note D. First of all, make sure your recorder is set up and ready to play. The head joint and the foot joint are pushed in and there's a straight line between the window here and all the finger holes as you look down. To play our new note D, we play our E and add another finger. It sounds like this. You may have noticed there's two holes that we're trying to cover with one finger, so we have to make sure we're using the really soft fleshy part of our finger to ensure no air leaks out. If you have air leaking out, it may sound a bit like this. So to make sure, wiggle your finger around until you can hear one clear sound like this. Let's practice playing Ds repeated over and over again, and we're trying to make each one sound exactly the same. Well done. We're now ready to learn Chatter with the Angels. I'll play it to you all the way through so you can hear how it sounds. This piece is in 4, so we're going to count to 4 every time before we play together. Let's learn the first line. We've got some helpful lyrics to help us with the rhythms. It sounds like this. Chatter with the angels soon in the morning. Chatter with the angels in that land. Clapping it, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You try it with me, both those parts together. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Chatter with the angels soon in the morning. Chatter with the angels, join that band. Well done. Let's now learn the notes that go with that. We're starting on a G, 3 fingers and a thumb. It goes G, 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 E, D, 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 E, G. Let's try that first bit. It goes after 4, try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next bit is very similar. It also starts in a G and it sounds like this. G, 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 E, D, B, A, G. Try it with me after 4, starting on a G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Let's play the whole of that line together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. The next line is a little bit trickier. Listen to the rhythm of the words. I hope to join that band and chatter with the angels all day long. Let's try clapping that. Clapped, it sounds like this. I hope to join that band and chatter with the angels all day long. You'll recognise the last 2 bars as being the same rhythm that we played earlier. So let's try clapping that whole line together from I hope to join that band after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope to join that band and chatter with the angels all day long. Well done, let's learn those notes. We're starting on a B now, so that's our thumb and our first finger. It goes B, B, G, A, G, E. Let's just do that first bit. Try it with me after 4. On the B. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last little bit goes D, G, 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 A, G, B, A, G. Sounds like this. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Let's play the whole of that line together. Starting on the B, I hope to join that band. 1, 2, 3, 4. If your recorder ever does that and it stops making a noise, it means there's little bits of droplets of water that have formed in the mouthpiece, so we have to try and suck those out. We go and we breathe inwards and suck all the water out, and then it makes a noise again. So let's try that last line once more, and hopefully my recorder will keep making a noise. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now we've learnt all of the piece, and it's time to play it all the way through. So we start on a G. Now you may have noticed you've got these thick dark lines and 2 dots at the end of each line. This is what we call a repeat mark, and that tells us that we have to play each line twice through before moving on. Don't forget to do that. So each line plays twice, and then we move on to the next one. So let's try it all the way through with the repeats together. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, did you remember both repeats? Let's try it once more together. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, well done. That was Chatter with the Angels. Thank you for watching. In our next video we'll be looking at Old MacDonald Had a Farm, which uses those same notes that we learnt in this piece. B, A, G, E and D. If you've liked this video, please click like and subscribe to Wolverhampton Music Service for more videos on recorder and many other instruments. Thank you.